What's up, y'all? It's your girl Alexis, and I'm here with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about MyEcon, the personal financial success company. With MyEcon, you can learn how to fix your own credit, put more cash in your paycheck, learn how to invest your money, and learn how to make more money. So let's get right to it. And now we're going to go to the when you log onto your back office, this is what you'll see. You'll see the business management center, and you'll see all these. You see we have a mobile app. We have video training, like my credit system and income shifting membership, which we're going to be talking about today, which is the most important thing, the income shifting membership. So, with the income shifting membership, you have to correct the W-4, debt elimination calendar, investment education, cash flow manager, my credit system, and cash flow strategies. So the first thing, you correct your W-4. You'll see a video, click on this, and I have a video up and show you how to correct your W-4 so you can get more money in your paycheck at your job. Every time you get paid, whether you get paid weekly or you get paid bi-weekly. The next thing, like we talked about, with the debt elimination calculator. And with that, you'll learn, you have a video right here, and it's a tool down here to show you how to pay off debt. You have a debt payoff plan right here. So you'll add all your debts, and then once you add all your debts, you'll save and you'll calculate, so you know how much debt you have, and you set up a plan to how to pay off all your debts. The next thing is my credit system. It'll show you how to fix your credit, but I have to pay somebody hundreds and thousands of dollars to do it, and sometimes not even accomplish getting your credit fixed. So, these are the videos I'll show how to pull your credit report, where to pull it from, and your scores, how to freeze secondary bureaus, to learn how to check for errors, how to start the dispute process, and you have all your letters. These are all your letters to use. And then you also have the credit utilization video, and how to build your credit back up, because after you dispute it from your negative stuff and incorrect stuff, you need to build your credit back up. So that's for the credit, my credit system. And then you have the cash flow manager. This will set up, this is where you'll set up all where your cash flows come in into your account, into your bank account, into you every month. And then and this is the cash flow strategies. And this is where all your cash flow at, and you set up a strategy on what to do with that cash flow. And then we have the financial freedom videos, which is also the investment videos. So you show how to invest all that money that you're getting from eliminating debt, correcting your W-4, and all your cash flow and all that strategy you learn. With all your cash flow, you learn how to invest that money so you can make more money. So this is basically what MyEcon is about. It's about getting rid of debt, putting more cash flow into your bank account so you can make more money, invest that money, and to make even more money. Well, MyEcon is one of the best businesses out there to fix your own credit. You don't want to spend thousands and hundreds of thousands to help people do it, and then they don't even fix your credit, because I've heard stories about that. I myself have had that problem before, paying somebody and they didn't even really do anything. And then you want to, and with inflation as it is right now, and the recession coming, you want to be able to know how to put more money back into your paycheck. So you're not sitting and you don't want to be in debt, because when you're in debt, you pay out way more money trying to get a loan, trying to get an apartment, trying to get a car, even opening a bank account, and even getting life insurance. All those look at your credit. And if your credit is not good, you're going to pay way more money. So then you'll pay less money, so you have more money in your pocket to do more things you like to do, such as spend more time with your friends and family, travel, and have more freedom. So, if you're interested in joining MyEcon, getting your credits together, eliminating debt, putting more cash in your pocket, and learning how to invest your money the correct way without losing money, then I suggest that you join MyEcon. And if you join MyEcon with me today, I will give you a 8-day, 7-night free vacation voucher. You'll be able to go to a lot of places in the United States and stuff that's outside the United States. I will leave the link to join me on MyEcon in the description below for you guys to sign up. So, you guys have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed this video.